These are the matching exercises for the skin and sense organs, beginning on page 266. Exercise A, match the term with its description. Number 1, epidermis is E, the outer layer of the skin. Sebaceous gland is A, oil-producing gland in the skin. Dermis is D, middle layer of the skin containing hair follicles, connective tissue, blood vessels, and glands. Subcutaneous tissue is C, the innermost layer of the skin composed of fatty tissue. And 5 is sweat gland is letter B, gland in the skin that produces a watery, salt-containing fluid. Exercise B, match the term with its description. Number 1, retina is G, layer of sensitive cells, rods and cones at the back of the eye. Conjunctiva is K, thin protective membrane over the front of the eye. Pupil is F, black center of the eye through which light enters. Lens is C, transparent structure behind the pupil that bends light rays so that they focus on the back of the eye. Cornea is E, transparent layer over the front of the eye that bends light so that it is focused on the back of the eye. Number 6, sclera is A, the white outer coat of the eyeball. Iris is letter I, the colored pigmented portion of the eye. Eardrum is B, the membrane that separates the outer and middle parts of the ear. Auditory canal is J, the passageway leading into the ear from the outside of the body. Auditory nerve is D, nerve that carries messages from the inner ear to the brain. And 11, optic nerve is H, the nerve at the back of the eye that transmits light waves to the brain. Exercise C, match the combining form with its meaning. Dermo is C, skin. Phaco is G, lens of the eye. Retino is D, posterior sensitive cell layer of the eye. Myringo is F, eardrum. Oro is H, ear. Ophthalmo is A, eye. Unguo is E, nail. And pilo is B, hair. Exercise D, match the medical term with its meaning. Ocular is E, pertaining to the eye. Otitis is D, inflammation of the ear. Subcutaneous, F, pertaining to under the skin. Myringotomy is G, incision of the eardrum. Aphakia, C, absence of the lens of the eye. Number 6, epidermis is H, outer layer of the skin. Retinopathy is A, disease of the rod and cone layer of eye, sensitive cells at the back of the eye. Number 8, ophthalmoscope is I, instrument to visually examine the eye. Number 9, tympanoplasty is J, surgical repair of the eardrum. And 10, subungual is B, pertaining to under the nail. Exercise E, match the pathologic condition with its meaning. Number 1, melanoma is F, malignant tumor of pigmented cells in the skin. Glaucoma is D, increase in pressure within the chamber at the front of the eye. Conjunctivitis is G, inflammation of the mucous membrane lining the inner surface of the eyelid. Tinnitus is E, abnormal noise, ringing, buzzing, or sound in the ears. Cataract is 5. Cataract is A, clouding of the lens of the eye, causing impairment of vision. Number 6, nevus is letter C, pigmented lesion, which is benign on the skin, also known as a mole. And 7, alopecia is B, absence of hair from areas where it normally grows. Exercise F, match the test or procedure with its description. Number 1, skin biopsy is D. Skin lesions are removed and sent to pathology laboratory for microscopic examination. Number 2, slit lamp microscopy is G. Microscopic examination of the anterior eye structures, such as the cornea, under intense light. 3, tuning fork tests is H. Vibration source is placed in front of the opening of the ear to test air conduction of sound waves. Number 4, fluorescein angiography is E. Dye is injected intravenously and movement of blood through blood vessels in the back of the eye is observed with an ophthalmoscope. Number 5, otoscopy is letter F, visual examination of the ear to the eardrum. 6, allergy test is letter C, patch test or scratch test. 7, bacterial and fungal tests is letter A. Samples from skin lesions are examined to detect presence of microorganisms. And number 8, ophthalmoscopy is B, visual examination of the interior of the eye.